In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove tab stops in Google Docs. If your text never lines up the way you expect when you press tab, the culprit is usually a tab stop. Tab stops are small markers on the ruler that tell Docs exactly where your cursor should jump. Clearing one is quick, and it immediately brings your paragraph back to the default alignment. First, make sure you can see the ruler. At the top of Google Docs, open the View menu and choose Show Ruler. The ruler appears along the top edge of your document, and that's the only place tab stops show up. If the ruler isn't visible, you won't be able to select or remove any of those markers. Next, look across the ruler to locate the tab stop you want to remove. You'll see small icons placed along the scale. Each one represents a tab position. They might be left, center, right, or decimal tabs, and they can sit anywhere across the line. Keep in mind that tab stops are different from the indent controls at the far left of the ruler. Indents shape the margins of a paragraph, while tab stops set the jump point when you hit the tab key. We're focusing on those individual tab markers along the ruler. To remove a tab stop, click the marker to select it, keep holding your mouse button, and drag it straight up, off the ruler, and toward the toolbar area. When you release your mouse, the marker disappears. That's it, the tab stop is gone, and any text that used it will revert to the default alignment for the paragraph. If you're working in a shared document, your change only affects the paragraphs that use that tab stop, so you stay in control of the layout. Here's why that works. Pressing tab tells Docs to move the cursor to the next tab stop. When you remove a custom stop, Docs no longer has a special position to jump to on that line, so your text follows the standard alignment instead. Quick tip before we wrap up. If your formatting looks off, scan the ruler for hidden or stray tab stops and clear any that you don't need. Tab stops can be set on a per paragraph basis, so click into different paragraphs and check the ruler each time to spot them and tidy up your layout. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.